Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to separate number from names in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that separate number from number. Now click for the name option. Now keyboard press from the equal. Then type from the split and press first bracket and select from the first column in number from name. Now paste from the comma, then space from double quotation, then space again double quotation, then first bracket close, then press from the enter. That's it. Now try from the all marks option. That's it. Then we show the separate number from names in names in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.